In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename levels and update associated views in Revit. Let's start by getting into the right kind of view. Levels are only visible in vertical views, so think of your north or east elevation or any section. Open one of those so you can actually see the horizontal level lines with their text labels. If you're not seeing levels, you're probably in a plan or 3D view, so switch to an elevation or section first. Once you're in a vertical view, take a moment to zoom or pan so the level you want is clearly visible. Next, click directly on the level's text label. You'll know you've selected the right thing when the text such as Level 1 becomes active for editing and the level line highlights. Make sure you're clicking the text label itself, not just the line, so you can rename it directly without changing anything else. Now type the new name you want to use. Choose a descriptive, consistent name like ground floor, basement, or roof, so anyone on your team immediately understands what the level represents. Good naming helps keep your views and sheets organized and makes coordination much easier across disciplines. If your project uses a specific naming convention, stick to it here for clarity and searchability. After you've entered the new name, Revit will prompt you with a question: do you want to rename corresponding views? This is important. If you click yes, Revit will update the names of any associated plan and ceiling plan views to match the new level name. That's great when you want your floor plan and reflected ceiling plan to stay aligned with the level's new name, reducing manual renaming later and keeping your browser tidy. If you click no, the level's name will change, but the existing view names will remain as they are. Choose no when you want to keep established view naming for documentation, sheet references, or when changing only the level label without affecting published view titles. Take a moment to double check your choice before confirming. Consistency here saves time later, especially in larger projects with many views. When you're done, review your project browser to verify the result. Either your views now match the new level name or they remain as they were, depending on your selection. That's it. By working in a vertical view, selecting the level label, typing a clear new name, and making an informed choice about renaming associated views, you